It's estimated that 7 out of 10 people can accumulate up to 4 pounds of intestinal residues because they're not going entirely to the bathroom. This waste forms a kind of crust in the intestines, which over time releases toxins into the bloodstream. Some of the main symptoms most of the people today might actually have: bloating, indigestion, fatigue, bad mood, headaches. Even skin problems may arise because of toxic waste that you are not eliminating completely. What are some of the best teas or juices or juicing that you can practice before going to bed that can actually help you clear the way of every single toxic substance that you're probably keeping in your system and you don't even know about it? That's what I'm going to reveal to you in today's video. There is a very important gut-to-mood connection. Today we know that our brain, or our second brain, is actually part of our intestine. This is because it produces more than 95% of serotonin, which is the hormone of well-being, of relaxation, of feeling good, happy, of being able to rest every single day. And if you are having an intestine that is accumulating toxic waste, that has certain crust of residues that are not being eliminated, you're going to have several symptoms of the ones I mentioned before in this video. How can you eliminate and clean your intestines completely? It all has to do with what you eat, how you drink, or what exactly you take in your system before going to the bathroom. And what better time to do this before going to bed that is actually going to help you release everything in the morning. Now, before I continue, please make sure to subscribe to this channel. I've always been surprised at the amount of people that watch my videos but are not yet subscribed. Go ahead and press that bell notification button, because maybe a video that I publish later in the future, something that I might say, could actually save your life. Number 1, hydration is key. Not many people know that hydration is one of the most important things we need in order to be able to evacuate everything we have on our intestines. Just a simple matter of drinking warm water in the morning or at night relaxes the muscles and loosens weight. And not many people know that certain trick, that tip, that's very specific practice that can actually help you a great deal. Just the fact of consuming this warm water before going to bed, and it doesn't have to be a lot, can actually help you with constipation. And this is something that most people are suffering without even knowing it, believe it or not. In many occasions, we as doctors might even see crusts and small balls or small accumulation of feces in several parts of the intestines, which have hardened so much, have gotten so hard that they will not be released because they don't have enough liquids. And this is where drinking warm water can actually make a difference. Number 2, flaxseed tea or juicing on flaxseed seeds. Many of the seeds, many of the ingredients we have in a supermarket or a home can really make a difference when it comes to eliminating constipation, and flax seeds are just one of them. These are rich seeds high in fiber, and they have specifically a very laxative effect, a mild laxative effect that taken every single day over the course of a month or 2 months can really make a difference in the amount of feces you are eliminating and the way you are doing so every morning. Some people will not eliminate everything. They will keep a part inside their intestines, and this is the exact part that keeping inside will actually cause all the symptoms that we are seeing with constipation: bloating, gas, bad moods, maybe the effect of not feeling well every day, maybe even the effect of feeling that you are anxious and not being able to sleep well at night can always have something to do with that residue you're keeping in your system, because you don't have something like flaxseeds you can take at night that will help you go to the bathroom the next day. Now, if you want something stronger, natural, that can help you go to the bathroom, clean your colon the way you have to, look for PRUNE, OxyClean, Magnezide, and I really recommend something like Appleizer to give yourself a boost and make sure that this is really happening every single day. Look for them at finelandvitamins.com. Number 3, fresh lemon water. Lemons actually have a very important effect on our digestive system. They stimulate the bile production of our liver, which activates also our intestines to be able to reduce everything that we should be eliminating every single morning. It supports digestion, it has electrolytes, it has some magnesium, some potassium, but the water contained in lemons and the combination of both really does the trick. Just by consuming lemon water, if you want it warm at night, even better. You will see more intestinal movements, you will see less less gases. You will see the elimination of darker waste, maybe old deposits. Doing it every day can actually keep you hydrated to make sure that your feces or that everything you're trying to eliminate is actually soft and not hardening every single day, keeping itself inside because you don't have enough maybe electrolytes to move your intestines containing lemons, or water for hydration that you need obviously to eliminate everything properly. Number 4, a tablespoon of olive oil with chia seeds every night. Not many people know that there are oils that actually have a laxative effect, and olive oil is one of them. This oil acts as a natural lubricant for our digestive tract. It softens stools, making it easier to pass, stimulates gentle contractions on your intestines, and provides healthy fats like omega-9 that reduces inflammation in our gut. Very, very important in order for inflammation not to affect the fact that you need to go to the bathroom every day. Now, if you mix this with chia seeds that have to be previously soaked, you will see that these contain soluble fiber. When soaked in water, they form a gel-like structure that obviously bulks up stool. It keeps it united, it keeps it uniform, softens it, and promotes a smoother intestinal transit. These contain omega-3 fatty acids and other types of oils that actually have a very mild laxative effect. The combination of both is extremely helpful, and this can be combined with exercise, something that is crucial, extremely crucial, to actually see that you have movement in your intestines and your legs are actually activated, all that impulse, that nervous impulse of muscles putting some pressure on your intestines to move every single step of the way. Exercise, oils, drinking lots of fluids, lemon water, warm water, and many other teas can really help. Now, if you need supplements that will be stronger on your intestines in order for you to go to the bathroom and clean yourselves completely, look for OxyClean, Magnezide, PRUNE, and I always recommend something that can actually be a dewormer as well, like Paraflush from Fineland at finelandvitamins.com. Don't forget to give this a like button, don't forget to share, and I'll see you on our next video. Take care.